Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to be doing another free Facebook group question and answer video. And today's question that I will be covering is how to optimize a campaign once it's running. It would be super helpful to see how you do it and what you recommend. And then I commented and asked what kind of traffic source he was referring to, and he asked about a Bing Ads campaign. So I will show you the basic process that I go through when I am creating Bing Ads campaigns, testing and optimizing. So I labeled this the optimization process. So campaign number one, this is going to be a direct link test to see if the offer that I choose is even worth promoting. And this is how I personally start every campaign, setting up a very simple direct link campaign and just see if I could get a sale, come close to breaking even. All those are good signs. And then I have my kill ratio set up, and I think being organized, having my kill ratio and just testing a lot of offers is my main competitive advantage with Bing Ads and why I've started to see some success. So testing is very important. So this would be a direct link test, and let's say our ad group 1, we use the Bing keyword planner to generate anywhere from 100 to 500 keywords. I would set these on broad with like a bid to, I don't know, 20 to 50 cents depending on the niche. Ad group number 2, let's say we're using the Google keyword planner, and usually you generate a bigger list of keywords using the Google keyword planner, anywhere from 500 to even over 1,000. And then let's say ad group number 3 is from manually researching keywords using the Bing search bar. And I will just go Bing search bar. So those are our 3 ad groups, and I would let that run. And let's say the offer that we're promoting pays out $50. Right away, my kill ratio would be, let's say, $300. So if I spend $300 and there's no sale or anything, I am going to kill the campaign. So that's what that means. So $300, I'm Xing this campaign. But I'm not going to be going into the kill ratio because this is the optimization process. So if you have an offer that has potential, it's getting sales, that's awesome. This is what I do. So let's say I spent the $300 and I made 5 sales. So, I made $250 back. That's good for the testing phase because now you got 5 query strings that you could focus on. Let's say one of the query strings was a long tail search, how to lose weight in 10 days. So this is what was typed in, and we're tracking everything properly. So this is exactly what was typed in. What you do with your winning query strings or your winning search terms is what defines campaign success. And then once you get your winning keywords, you want to separate them. What I do is after my direct link test, and in this case we made $250, spent $300. So the offer has potential. Right away, I would gather the few keywords that I have and see what types of ads are doing best, what network, device, etc. I would see what is working, and then I would create an email opt-in campaign with a follow-up series. And that first ad group would be winners exact. So I would have those 5 query strings on exact match. And then the next would be phrase. Win phrase. And then ad group 3 for the email opt-in would be a broad keyword ad group because I never stop testing broad keywords. I like having an ad group specifically on broad match, so I'm constantly seeing if I could get new emails or new keywords, new winning keywords to add into my winners and my winner phrase ad groups. Because a lot of mistakes I see is that when people start optimizing, they're only going with the exact match keywords. Sometimes like longer tail keywords, if you put them on exact match, the search volume just isn't there. So you always got to be testing a broad ad group. And then, so the winner is exact, the winner is phrase. This is another crucial ad group. So I would have how to lose weight in 10 days as a phrase match in this ad group, but then I would also get ideas from certain winning query strings and kind of change them up and test them. So another thing that I might test is, so okay, I'm just gonna type this in. Okay, so I typed a few of these out. So I wouldn't just test this winning query string on phrase match. I mean, I would. It would be my first one. How to lose weight in 10 days. That was a winning query string. But then I would get ideas based off the winning query string to add others on phrase match. So how to lose weight in 10 days. Or lose weight in 10 days. And then lose weight fast. And then another one would be lose weight in. So then this would trigger my ad to be shown up if someone were to type in how to lose weight in 30 days. This phrase match keyword would result in our ad being shown. And so that is a very important thing to consider when you're creating or separating your winning keywords, is not just take the exact query strings, but also get ideas and come up with new keywords that are very close to the winning query string. And then next I would focus on seeing which ads perform best and then choose those winning ads to use with the winning query strings. And then this broad group over here, I would still be testing out multiple ads. And then every one of these, increased bid. So for weight loss product, weight loss is pretty competitive. If I had 5 weight loss related query strings, I would increase the bid to, let's say, like $1.50 or anywhere from like $1 to $2. And then the phrase match, let's say increase bid to $1. And then we'd have our ad group over here, broad, or just we could keep that at 50 cents. And just constantly be testing keywords. And there is a lot more that goes into it because we are collecting emails with this campaign. And if you're tracking right, you could add a 4th ad group, not only just for the sales that you're getting, but the keywords that are resulting in the email submits. So I would go another ad group called email subs. And then increase the bid to probably right around the $1 to $1.50 range. That's just how I do it. I know it's a little confusing when I'm just talking about this, but optimizing campaigns in Bing is pretty simple, but you have to know how to structure it correctly. You can't just stop testing keywords on broad match and just focus on a few winning query strings. That's where I see the majority of the problems. And then remember, you're building an email list, so you want to provide value to these email opt-ins and then sell other products to build that long-term value. Most importantly though, it always comes down to this. The first most important thing is to have a kill ratio. There's so many times where I see people spending like anywhere from $500 to $1,000 and they're like, I haven't made a sale yet, what do I do, can you help me? And it's like, yes, I can help you. Delete that campaign and try another one. People get so emotionally attached to their first Bing Ads campaign that they lose focus on the kill ratio. You need to have a kill ratio. And then number 2 is just test. I say this all the time. Test offers. You can't test enough, and that's one of my competitive advantages, is being structured with Bing Ads, and just being able to test my offers a lot. So I hope that answered your questions. That's how I scale or optimize my Bing Ads campaigns. I hope this helps. That is it for this video. If you guys would like to get your questions answered in my free Facebook group, you can click the link in the description to join. Make sure that you answer all 3 questions and agree to no spam or hate speech, and I will accept you, and you could tell me what you want to see on my YouTube channel. Lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.